laps or so, and it's going to be a wonderful return for Mika Häkkinen after some many races in the wilderness as far as he's concerned, and he has lapped Juan Pablo Montoya and is coming out of the last corner of the lap to start his 65th and last lap of the 2001 Spanish Grand Prix. This is the man, Mika Häkkinen, who won in 1998, 1999 and last year. If he can just do this last 2.5 miles or so, he is going to have won this race 4 years in
He's
succession.
he's slowing down, Murray. I thought I heard it rattling as it came past the pits last time. Mika Häkkinen is slowing right down. Is he out of fuel?
Oh, this could be absolutely fantastic. He's got to finish his last lap. Meantime, Michael Schumacher at reduced speed will be closing up on him, and there is Schumacher starting his last lap as Mika Häkkinen tours. Is he going to stop? Is Michael Schumacher in the last knockings of the race as Häkkinen looks down into the cockpit?
Sparks coming out of the back of... I thought I saw a couple of sparks, yes. So it is a pure mechanical problem for Häkkinen then, not a shortage of fuel. Häkkinen, I do not believe, will get over the finish line.
And Adrian Newey looking there, and bang, the engine's gone. And David Coulthard had the same sort of thing happen this morning in the warm-up. It was a hydraulics problem. And on the very last lap of the Spanish Grand Prix, Michael Schumacher looks as though he's going to go through and take another win. What an incredible situation. It would be his third, and Mika Häkkinen has pulled off. Michael Schumacher has just got to get there. He goes into the lead. Wow, my goodness, an incredible finish. Mika Häkkinen had got the race in his pocket, only to be denied it. And look, this looks like a repeat of his situation at the Italian Grand Prix at Monza. He's going to get out of the car. No. Mika Häkkinen waves to the crowd. This sort of thing happens in motor racing, and it has happened to him, and he has taken it magnificently. Michael Schumacher doing something I've never seen him do before. Wave to the crowd, and Michael Schumacher wins in Spain for the third time to increase his World Championship lead. What an unbelievable finish, Martin.
I'm just wondering if Häkkinen can still score some points. Remember, he'd lapped everybody up to third place man. Some of those will be able to recover that lap. Where will Mika Häkkinen still be able to finish? It was the final lap of the race, and still waving at the crowd. We're waiting then for Montoya. He surely will finish second. Yes, Montoya will have unlapped himself. So second place man then Montoya, and I'm sure Villeneuve, Trulli and probably Coulthard can all come through too. Häkkinen may score no points whatsoever.
Good news for Michelin. I've talked about the Bridgestone-Michelin battle on the tyre front, and Juan Pablo Montoya takes second position, his first podium place for Williams and BMW. Over the line goes Villeneuve third, Jarno Trulli is fourth. David Coulthard has got 2 World Championship points by finishing in 5th position. And Mika Häkkinen does not score a point because Nick Heidfeld takes 6th place in the Sauber.